We gonna win Jumpy Place? Yes, we are. I don't always play horribly. I might have to actually show you the ending of this for you to believe me, but... Bitch, look at that! I was the champion. Look at that. Motherfucking champ over here. So we started with a pretty good landing and started out getting some weapons and spotting some enemies. By the way, I know this is a newbie tip, but what you want to look for when you're looking for enemies in the beginning is look for open crates, open doors, anything a player can interact with if it's been changed. That's how I spotted these guys. Holy shit, we gotta watch that one. Knocked one. I love this game mode. Getting one-shot headshots is so much fun. I'm glad that they limited it to level 1 armor. I had a blast playing this game. Lol, the Gibraltar thinks he's got me. Psh, you, sir, have been domed. Let me just point out how I should be healing, but I'm just gonna push out here and jump pad while healing instead of waiting a little bit to heal. Nothing too interesting happens after this. I just loot the body. We don't actually end up finding the third teammate. Alright, we heard gunfire in Skulltown, so we made our way towards Skulltown, and my teammate spots someone. So I push up to meet up with my team. Shockingly, a team of randoms actually turned out being really good. Ooh, I love that gold longbow, actually. Now that I've played like it in this game mode, oh my god, it's just beautiful. We don't lock doors in this house. In fact, don't even close it. Ooh, now I can see you. Alright, can someone explain the hit reg? I agree, that's a miss. That was a hit. Hit. Kind of hard to tell. Reg. Rewatching in slow-mo, the first two were definitely misses, but later on, there were for sure some no regs going on. Alright, I wonder who the new kill leader will be. Make sure to grab that level 1 armor. Hurry up, man, there's a teammate downed. Come on! Dude, stop looting! Alright, it's time to finally rejoin my team and actually be a team member. So I do this the opposite way that you really should do it. You should really portal from the beacon to their boxes rather than portal to the beacon, because this way people will follow me through that portal and then kill me while I do this. Gotta keep the team alive, man! We're on the massive skeleton and we are looking for enemies. And there's a ship right there, so I think enemies must be there. And they are. I'm kind of wide-peaked and standing way too still right now for knowing that there are enemies there, because they could totally see me. Oh no, Jibby, why are you going out in the open, man? Why? Why are you giving us a free kill? Aw, poor Jibby. That is not okay what just happened, man. All he wanted to do was throw some cover for his brothers. Just gotta point out this happened. Honestly, had a lot of fun shooting that longbow. Here's where I fall, and then I say, pushing. I'm pushing. Good cover. But it is a good time to push, so might as well do it. We have 2 downs, I say pushing, and they do not come with me, but nothing bad happens. I end up killing them, so whatever. I'm all paranoid looking for their teammate, and they're just sitting here downed. Turns out the only people up here were the 2 people I downed. I get shot at, so I stand out in the open so I can mark it for the team. I should have changed the angle and then re-peeked. Come on, peek me. I want to get the headshot. Let me kill you. Come on, man. Please. Can you pop your head out for just a second? Come on, man. I just need a kill. Alright, I'm coming. Alright then, I'm just gonna have to do it the hard way. You're gonna die, man. Let's chase him down. Alright, so we're pushing on his position, and he's just a slippery little snake, it looks like.
On the roof.
Ah, this is the part of the battle I enjoy the most. The part just before I finish off my enemy.
Dead. On to the next victim. This is where I realized that we killed everyone on this side of the map, and I'm just like, where is an enemy? I just want some kills, man. Alright, we're scouting out enemies that we heard shooting back here. And there's not a whole lot of places they could be, so I'm looking up at this hill and that house over there. Once again, out in the open. Just marking some enemies for my teammate, but still, out in the open, completely easy shot. So looking at the situation, it doesn't seem like they're going to continuously peek, so it's time to push in my mind. So my teammate's already sort of pushed up a little bit, so I'm just going to go join him. We got a badass over here. Just over here one-handing a peacekeeper. So I start scoping out the situation, and my teammate starts pushing. So I start to push with him, and then I realize that we haven't made sure that there's no one on that hill still. Downed one. So they take a few hits, and then they hide for a little bit. I love it when the circle forces people to make bad decisions in my favor. Yes, peek me. Pushing his zone up there. You just got zoned. Oh, he's close. Close to you. I hit him. I got you pinned. What you gonna do now? Downed him. Sit down. That's right. That's what you're gonna do. You're gonna sit. Gotta keep my team healthy. Jibby doing what he does best, throwing cover for his brothers. Run away, run away. I'll cover. Dead. Oh no, they broke my shields and I can't repair them. Life alert. He's right here.
We should go here. Making contact with
Broke his armor.
Coming.
So in this fight, I'm pretty useless and I make a lot of bad decisions. And this Pathfinder runs away to get back to his teammates and then pushes us. Oh, never mind. So I originally thought this was an enemy bombardment, so I ran away. But Jibby's just doing his thing. He's helping his brothers. His support is successful and gets me healed up. Remember to check out twitch.tv/himselfxd for some streams. I'm just going to let the rest of this play out. Have a great day.
spotted me. I'm taking shots.
How? These shots were directly on him, but...
They're gonna push. They're gonna push. Careful. Careful.
Jumping.
I'm pushing out for a second. Healing, careful.
He's in your.
Hey, what's up, Dave? I'm at 9 kills right now.
Getting shot at.
Hit him once. Good job, man. I know, mental. Hell yeah, good job. Well played. I'm playing that new game mode. And I think, let's see here. I've been playing for 27 minutes. This is, this game is going up on my next video. I'm gonna narrate this game. Survival time of 15 minutes. Hell yeah. Yeah, explain Instagram. I got this now.